to anyone who's not doing it this year?
Do it next year.
Do it next year! Come on, guys!
The Mongol Rally is the brainchild of a company called the Adventurists. The Adventurists feel like we've gotten soft as travelers, so they devised a trip. Get from London to Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia in a car with an engine no bigger than 1 liter. Why did I do it? Because I wanted to see if I could get there, that's why. This is step 1 to the voyage, finding our car. We ended up buying a 1997 Daihatsu Move. This thing had 850 cc's, 42 horsepower. Absolutely absurd. Just seeing Greg next to this car is a funny... There's only one rule of the rally. You have to have a 1 liter engine car smaller. You can take as long as you want. You can go as quick as you want. We ended up choosing what's called the Central Route. You go through Europe and through Turkey, and when you hit the Caspian Sea, you have a decision to make. You can go north, which would take you through the Ukraine. You can go south through Iran, or you can go directly over the Caspian Sea on a cargo ship. Our car did surprisingly well. It truly only broke down twice, one for a flat tire, one for an engine mount bolt that sheared off. Having that happen in Germany is a godsend. So thank you, Google Translate. As long as we consumed some food and some water and we moved east, whether we followed the sun, we felt like we accomplished our goal for that day. Yeah, we got lost. I mean, you're pretty much lost the whole time. I think our mantra was just eat and move east. We ended up traveling, I think, around 9,500 miles. Out of the 270 teams that started, 60% of the teams finished in Ulaanbaatar. The whole time you're planning that you have to get there, you have to get there, the whole goal, we have to finish, we have to finish, we have to finish. And then all of a sudden you're done. And it's like, wait, it's over? There really was a feeling of accomplishment that we got there, but also a feeling of emptiness that it was now all over.